Hello everyone, I would like to welcome you to our video on our PBL project, the Ballistic Car. My name is Brendan Tomlin and my partner of the project is P&IBL. The goal of this demonstration was to analyze how projectile trajectory works along with other scientific principles. I would like to walk you through some key scientific principles before we get to the demonstration so you can understand the science behind it. First, we have Newton's three laws of motion. Three physical laws that together laid the foundation for classic mechanics. Together, they describe the relationship between a body and the forces acting upon it. The next one is projectile motion, a form of motion in which an object or particle, called a projectile, is thrown near the Earth's surface, and it moves along a curved path under the action of gravity only. Constant acceleration is the third scientific principle, which means a change in velocity that doesn't vary over a given length of time. Our last one is the ballistic trajectory or the projectile trajectory. The path that a thrown or launched projectile or missile will take under the action of gravity, neglecting all other forces such as friction from aerodynamic drag without propulsion. Here is our video. Yes, go.
This is our PBL task, the ballistic car.
As you may notice by watching the video, that the ball is launched from the car, which is moving at a constant speed, and later falls back into the top tube of the car, where it was launched from. This is because the horizontal motion of the car is equal to the ball's motion, and the horizontal motion of the car and the ball is both equal, despite their vertical motion being largely affected by only gravity. This demonstration represents the ball and car's horizontal motion is unaffected by other forces that act in a vertical direction as well. Here is my ELA component. I took a screenshot. I chose to do a personal narrative for my ELA component as it explains a personal experience I had that deals with ballistic trajectory. It was a trip I had to Florida when I was young. You may pause this video and read it if you would like to. For our social studies component, we talked about whether ballistic cars had anything to do with ballistic missiles. We came to the conclusion by doing research that we considered them family, long distance family, because they're very different yet the same. They both follow the laws of ballistic trajectory, yet one is used at a kid's level or a high school level, a school level, to teach the idea of ballistic trajectory. However, a ballistic missile, as we all know, is used for warfare or military. In summary, in this experiment, we tested the theory behind the ballistic. As a car with the tube or chimney moves as it launches a ball following a parabolic shaped path, falls back into the chimney of the car about a meter later. The reason this occurs is due to the car and ball having the same horizontal velocity despite having a very different vertical velocity. Thank you for watching.